Hi guys, so you know why I'm here today? For the hair dye thing. So you have guys made lots of guesses like Blackpink, Rose Gold, and see whose guess was right. One, two. So yes, it is Blackpink that I'm going to go today, and I'm extremely nervous because I don't know if it will suit my color or not. But then again, we are here to take risks. Finally, I'm in Korea, so I will do whatsoever I want. So I'm using this Hello Bubble ballet color, which is now endorsed by Blackpink. These are look gorgeous in it, and yes, for this I would have to use bleaches, hair bleach. I don't know how harsh it will be on my hair, but I'm taking the risk for you guys as well. So please support me even if I look bad. Okay, do support me. Got it? So the one who will be doing this for me today is my makeup artist, Michael May. Please come in front. This guy is like one of the most dependable person I can ask for. Like he has a very good skills in makeup and dyeing as well. He's been dyeing his hair for so long, and he can even open his own salon. He is like an artist, not in the makeup artist, but painting artist and all of this stuff. But then again, he's the best guy I can rely on because he's experienced and all. So say hello to my viewers, Mike. Say hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Please, I bet the camera share or something. I don't know. So let's just first check what are the constituents of this pack. Okay. So when you open it, first thing is this, because it's a foam kind of thing, so you have to just press it and perhaps only come out. And then there comes like 3 sachets in it. Okay. This is like the instructions pack. Why the hell have they even written it? Okay, finally. It's like most in Korean and but there are English lines as well, so I believe it will come in handy. But of course I will be using this thing on the second one because this process will take like 2 shifts. First I will be bleaching my hairs and then this will be. With this there comes like these kind of things like a napkin or something. What is this? Okay. Pair of gloves and what is this thing? Is it a paper or something? How to open it? Like yes. Okay. Okay. Oh wow. Can you please help me? Thank God I was thinking that my clothes will go like shit today. They won't be things to be fake or whatever you call it. Just tie it so nicely that no color escapes. Guys, whenever you're dyeing your hair, do make sure that you are not. Okay, I'm just messing with the filters right now. How yeah.
Do you know how a shirt that you can put on that you don't care if something does happen?
Yeah, it is kind of like a shirt that if something even does happen, I won't really care much. But still, I would like to save it. Then here is like number one thing. And number 2, and there is like this extra mask that have been given to protect your hairs once you have done shampooing your hairs. So this will come later. For now, we'll begin with the bleaching thing, and I've been trusting myself completely to Mr. Mike. So let's go and begin this.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
So the bleach is ready for me, and so is the artist. We couldn't find the makeup like hair dyeing brush here, so we are using an alternate one, but it's good enough. So I hope it things works out. Here we go. Too nervous. You guys have no idea. Okay guys, so like I'm finally done with it. It's like completely going blonde. It says that I have to wait here for like 30 minutes to get this color. But they didn't tell me like 30 minutes from the beginning or 30 minutes once I'm done. But they're already going blonde, so perhaps I should just wait 20 more minutes and then return it after watching it for you. So off we go, wearing this and the cap. Okay.
20 minutes later.
Hi guys, so see, now I'm pleased. And yeah, I know I look a little bit strange, but it doesn't look that bad, does it? Do tell me in the comments that does it look good? Should I go for this color next time or something near to it? So the part next come is the Blackpink. So this guy will now guide you for the words. He will be making it for me today. Can I just cut your head? Because you're so tall. But you need to show the things. So this is like the solution 2. And this is 1. This is perhaps the oxidation agent, and this is something different thing, the foam thing. And this is considered something as the magic. What is it called? Magic secret magic oil. Yeah, I don't know what this thing do, but it's a secret magic oil. Like we are making a cauldron or something. So here we go. I think you should pop the bubbles first. They won't allow you those things to. Yeah. See, it's like an oil or something. It says that you shouldn't shake the bottle upside down, but shake it in circular motions. And the second thing. How should I describe it? You should do it perhaps. This is the secret magic oil. Dude, this is an oil, perhaps a clear oil. Is it argan oil or something? Got a little long. I don't want to miss this oil because perhaps it saves your hair from the damage. My hairs are so damaged right now. They look like a little bit dead now. I would have to take care of them very much from now on. Okay. So this is the cap we're using. Okay. Now I'm again the subject here, so they will get very much on mic. See, that is very well. He breathes it so well that I think I should ask him to become my stylist later. He did so well. He's quite a dependable guy. Is it done?
Yeah, it should be.
Okay, so here goes the game. Now, once again, back to the hand thing. Does it look like foam? No, please don't do it in front of my eyes. What if it comes in my eyes? I'm afraid. Okay, it becomes a foam. You can show the foam into the camera. See, it's now the foam kind of thing. Since my hair is thin, he will be applying it from tip to the roots because so that it doesn't go. And you have to apply this with your hands. So now I'm actually a cake here. Perhaps a pink cake, strawberry one. Okay, put some more cream on it. Since this thing has so much in it, like it's designed for the girls kind of hair, so my hair wasn't as big, so I have still a lot of quantity left here. Perhaps this much is enough, and now I have to wait for the next 50 minutes to get the color in my head. I just hope this color stays in my head because I like it so much. You know, it looks kind of good. But then again, let's see. So yeah, I'm going to just wait for 50 minutes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So it has been like 20 minutes by the time I put it. You can see it's like getting so dark pink that I'm now confused how it will turn out. It's not even pink, it's like more of a shocking pink or magenta color. But let's see. Time to go to take a shower and clean all this stuff from my head, and then I will show you the results.
Epilogue.
Okay guys, so this is the result of that pink foam color. It looks nice. It's not 100% even, like some parts are a bit lighter, other are like rose gold. So those who ask for a rose gold color can be happy with this as well, because it's something in between the two. So can you tell me how does this suit me, or what color should I go next? At least I'm not going any soon. I love my hairs and they're getting so dry and brittle these days. But then again, I will be changing it very soon, in 3 or 2 months. So till then, do tell me how you like it, and let's see you guys there. Bye.